I am the GIS supervisor for the city of Redlands. We generally are the team that creates maps, that creates data for the city. I have been working for the city of Redlands 3 years. I am actually from Honduras. So I moved from Honduras to Minnesota. I went from Minnesota to Honduras, and then Honduras, I came to California. We didn't have a program like that in Honduras. So that's why I came here. And here I am still. Yeah, so my beginning in GIS, I was actually a student in that moment. I was working in a agriculture project, and it was more IT, database management data. But as part of the project, we were having training for farmers and for technical staff. And then we had a GIS training. And since that moment, I kind of fell in love with GIS. Our work is more visual. Explaining GIS without actually viewing it is harder to explain. But if you see it, then it's easier to kind of get the concept. We create applications for people to view it, to collect the information, but also for analysis as well. GIS application in this sense, we create a web application. And mainly, it might have a map. In the map, you can have filters that allow you to get information from that map based on the requirements. That's kind of like the center point of the application. It can be an application that has filters, that has options to download data, but also we can create dashboards where we kind of provide metrics. We can provide, stats for any department as well. We have a role to be updating, for example, the utility network. So when there's a new project, we go and we have to draw all the new mains. For me, working for the city has allowed me opportunities to grow, and not only professionally, but also personally. And, I'm grateful for that.